Hello there, I am Kishan. I am co-founder of ByVisit.com. Are you a business owner or a professional? Do you meet people often online or in person? Do you attend business events? This application is made for you. For more insights, let's get dive into the demo.
Hi, I am here to take you through the demo of ByVisit mobile app. Let's get sign up with 3 simple steps. 1. Enter your mobile number. 2. Verify it with OTP, which you have received through an SMS. 3. Enter your account details like email, your choice of username, first and last name. Congratulations! That will automatically create your card and host it to your desired username, for example, byvisit.com/johndoe. Let's customize your card by tap on Edit. Choose Profile to add personal details. You can also add your profile headline here for introduction. Let's add your address details, enter street and other location details. To add location from Map to drive your customers to your location, tap on Map to choose your location and save it. Next thing is social media. You can add up to 12 social media. Let's move to add your contact details, your business card. Enter country dial code and phone number, specify your contact phone type, and save it. Same as you can add your email ID. Next step for the website, add your website link, name of your website and specify the type. Your business details are important to add for your business card, right? Well, here you can join existing business if you or other people have added once. Or, you may add your business details starts from your business logo, followed by other details. You can also make your business information catchy with our rich editor. Customize your card design to make it of your choice of brand. Set your favorite card theme template. Change the background. Set your brand colors for texts and icons on the card. Also, you can publish or unpublished card from here. Change the dark or light mode of your card. Now, you are ready to share your card with QR code, and let's save your contact to others' phone book, even with simple QR camera. You can share it by any medium through link by hosted card link. Or you can share directly with printed NFC cards with just a tap. You can order one from our online shop. Let's explore our live card features, which you're going to share to your network. Tap to watch your video from your business details. Call with just one tap directly from mobile device. Send email. Single tap to SMS. Or get the direction of the location address. Let's add some photos of your business to your card. In addition, you can add your business brochure to your card to showcase your products with details using PDF. With help of analytics, you can explore your engagement and usage of your card contacts. We value your privacy. You can secure your card with use of card privacy to protect your card from strangers with use of 6-digit PIN number. Also share your card directly without PIN with auto-generated temporary link directly to your connection via any medium. If you want to privatize your contacts only, you definitely can do that. With making private your desired contacts and hide it from published card along with brochure. To get your private contact, people can request from your hosted card directly. You will get that requests to your card inbox that you may reply with message to send contacts or brochure directly to the requested person's email. Do you have a bunch of paper business cards of others? Scan your paper cards and save to your phone book to get contact whenever you want. To add correct and relevant details, you can also modify. With use of card hints, you can save your time of writing details. Choose Quick Details from the right side of Inputs by Hint option directly and save. You can search with Contact Card Book with any details you have saved to the card for quick contact to the person.